My science fair experiment was cleaning our oceans. The purpose of this experiment was to find the best way to remove oil from salt water. This could then help the ocean with its oil pollution problems, which can be greatly damaging to the environment. My research question was, what was the best material to remove oil from salt water? My review of literature states that every month around 11 oil spills can occur, and over 100 metric tons of oil leak into the ocean each year. This can greatly damage the oceans and its environments by increasing the acidity levels and covering the animals like birds in oil. This can kill them because of toxins leaking into their body or suffocation. Oil spills are usually small leaks of liquid petroleum hydrocarbon and can occur on water, land, or even pollute the air. An example of a large oil spill is the Deepwater Horizon accident from 2010. This leaked over 134 million gallons of oil into the ocean. An example of a small oil spill are cars leaking oil on the road or factory pipes breaking and leaking oil. My hypothesis states that the specified material that came with the oil removal kit would do the best, which was correct, and the cotton balls would do the worst, which is incorrect, as the cotton balls did pretty well. If you would like to perform the experiment that I did, you would need vegetable oil or liquid petroleum. You would need a gallon of salted water. You would need cotton balls, a sponge, paper towels, and the oil removal kit should provide you with everything else you need, including a specified oil removal material, which only collects oil and does not collect water. The procedure requires 2 teaspoons of salt into an 8-ounce cup of water. You will want to mix this until it's well dissolved and well mixed. You will want to dump in 2 tablespoons of your oil and then use your oil removal kit instructions. To do this, first lay out all of your items it gives you and then take out the special material. Set it down near or on the oil spots that will form as the oil will start to form together in larger clumps. If you put the specified material around the oil, it will keep it in a spot for you so that you will be able to remove the oil easier. You will want to use your cotton balls to try to scrape off the oil from the surface of the water. You will want to do this in slow, steady motions and take your time as you want to collect as much oil as possible. When your cotton ball gets too wet or dissolved, just throw it out and use another one. Once you've collected as much oil as you like or as you can, pour in 2 more tablespoons of oil. Then use a sponge and repeat exactly what you did with the cotton balls, but make sure to squeeze out the sponge every once in a while. After you collected the oil, again add 2 more tablespoons and lay on your paper towels to try to collect some spots of oil. Then start scraping the oil out of the water once again, but this time with the specified material. After you've collected all the oil, just toss out your water and dispose of the used items whatever way you would like. My analysis states that there were not many patterns throughout. Most of the materials varied and had quite a bit of differences. This is because the materials had very different structures and uses, such as cotton balls being used to help with cuts and scrapes, and is used by doctors, and paper towels being used to clean up spills or water that's spilling on your counter or something. There are no extreme anomalies in this experiment, just materials absorbed the water well, oil well, or did not collect the oil well, or did not collect the water well. If I were to do this experiment again, I would use more materials so that I could get more results and have more data, or just use, if I were to use more materials, I'd use iPetrogel or corn cobs, which are actually very good at collecting oil, surprisingly. In conclusion, this project has been made and the experiment was conducted to find the best material for oil collection all did pretty well when it came to collecting oil. However, the sponge did do the worst and mostly collected just water. The specified material that came with the oil removal kit did the best, and if we were to use something in large amounts, it'd be the specified removal, or the specified material that removes oil, as it does not collect water as much as other materials do, and it is pretty cheap to make in large quantities.